to sign up for Netflix 30-day free trial. If any day you would like to sign up for Netflix 30-day free trial, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to go to the search section on your mobile device. After you go to the search section on your mobile device, you have to search Google Chrome there. After you search Google Chrome there, you can see the application like this. Now you have to go to the search icon on your very Google. After you go to the search icon on your very Google, you have to search Netflix 30-day free trial there. And you have to wait for a while until you find the option of the search. After you find the option of search, you have to tap on Netflix 30-day free trial. After you search the very option of the Netflix 30-day free trial, you will see the options like various kind of options there. So you have to tap on any of the option that you like, and when you find the option of 30-day free trial, you have to tap on the very option of the 30-day free trial. And when you tap on the option of the 30-day free trial and go to the option of the search, you can see an interface like this. After you see an interface like this, you can see the various kind of option. You have to tap on the first option, that is Netflix free trial. And after you tap on the option of the Netflix free trial, the very screen will appear in front of you. Sometimes the screen appearance may be late because of the internet connection you have. Therefore, you need to check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not. It may be your data connection or your Wi-Fi connection. Now you have to scroll down until you find the option of yes there and tap on the option of yes. Now you have to write on the very option that I just want some free trial on Netflix and all of those things. And after you go to the option of submit, your very option will be just created by the Netflix and will be found by the Netflix there, and the Netflix may consider it and provide you 30-day free trial on the Netflix. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.